Okay, so it is nearly 1:30. I am stopping for some food. I've just been doing some little bits and pieces. What do you think of the dog? Tilly. Anyway, so here's what I've got so far and what I've done so far. These bits here, these long, thick, 30mm thick aluminum pieces were cut using, God help me, an angle grinder. I'm as upset about that as you are. My jigsaw wouldn't cut it. I don't know what grade this is, but it was too tough for the jigsaw. This cut nicely. This is some aluminum as well. These are obviously some flat pieces I had. This is from Apex's play bar that we made, it's an aluminium play bar, and these were for some leftover bits from the internals for Foxic, I think. The drive motors are the E30 400s. They are the spare motors out of Apex. These are Apex's old wheels, and they are nicely lined up, which is always good. The base is 10mm HDPE. They're gonna run 2 Vipers. I did do the holes front on either side, so I could do a Foxic style 4-wheel drive 4-motor, and then I realised that the spare ones that I have here for Foxic are in Chris's bag in America, so I forgot, so my bad. So it's going to be 2-wheel drive. The front plough we have here, 5mm Hardox. It was on the first spinner version of Apex and later used on Big Popper hatchet. So it's a pre-made part, the only pre-made part. Everything else I've done so far this morning, I'm absolutely exhausted but absolutely buzzing. So that might be the relentless. I need to make some supports for the back of the motors, which I will do with a block of HDPE, which is down yonder. I'm going to use some big U-clamps, bolt them to that down there, and that's going to get bolted in across there to hold them still. Then I can mount the speed controllers, and then I can make a mount for the battery, and then I should be having a test hopefully around about 3-4 o'clock, which should mean I have enough time to make the mounts for the inside of the wedge to go on the front. And yeah, we are fairly light so far. It is approximately 40 kilos, but there is still a lot more to go in, so yeah. Alright, that's the big update. I will have a bacon sandwich and I will get back to you. Toodles.